The summer of 2020 continues to shatter those records for brutally hot days and warm nights. The pavement makes it even worse since it does absorb the immense heat of the day. Now, the city of Phoenix is applying a different type of pavement that may help reduce the effects of our city's well-documented urban heat island. Joining us now from one of those neighborhoods that is part of the city's pilot program is meteorologist Jorge Torres, who is showing us how valuable this could be for our community. Good morning, Jorge.
Hey, good morning, Justin, and good morning, everybody out there. Yeah, we're talking about this different kind of pavement. This is known as cool pavement, and the hope is that it will help cool things down here in the valley, not just for now, but for years and potentially decades to come. And joining us now from the city of Phoenix to tell us how important this could be and kind of the background behind it is Ryan Stevens. So, Ryan, give us the backstory. How did the idea begin?
The idea began by us examining, how can we address heat? Phoenix is very hot, so how can we address heat? And one avenue is through our pavements, and we looked to the city of Los Angeles piloting a very similar program, and they're having success with this type of program, so we thought to try it for ourselves.
And what are the results so far from what you've seen?
So far in our two installations, we've seen consistent about 20-degree surface temperature differences. We'll be partnering with ASU to really study these effects over time, not only in the summer, but also going into the winter as well.
So we already have one park down, one neighborhood in the process. Why were these areas selected in the city of Phoenix?
So we outreach to our council offices for their input on areas that could use this sort of heat mitigation. And we also used our engineering judgment to identify streets that are in good condition. This is a seal coating product, so the street had to be right and the location had to be right. So we engaged with our council offices for this pilot program to identify those locations.
So some climate models are indicating that the average temperature here in Phoenix could rise to as much as 9 degrees warmer than what it is now by the year 2100. How valuable and important is a project like this for the sustainability of the city's future?
Well, it's definitely valuable not only for any potential heat reduction. We want to mitigate that urban heat island effect and cool temperatures down, particularly at night. But as a pavement maintenance treatment, this is like sunscreen for our roads. By keeping the roads cooler, they'll also last longer. So it's a twofold benefit: heat mitigation and pavement preservation.
All right, Brian, thank you, sir, very much for that. All important tools and aspects to know about this cool pavement that will hopefully help flatten the temperature curve here in the valley. But for now, reporting live in the Garfield Historic District, Jorge Torres, ABC 15, Arizona.